Alright, so boom, it's Monday and it's another trading week for today. And I heard that a lot of altcoins are going deep right now. But to be honest though, I low-key want the Bitcoin goes to 50k again because I want to full port my account. But right now, I'm gonna be trading on gold and Doge on a New York session later. And also, I haven't checked the news yet, but let's check it right now. So boom, there's 2 PMI, 1 high impact news, but I still want to do a trade on that. I don't care if the price is so trashy on that or not, but I'm gonna be trading after that news. But right now I need to go to school because I have a lot of stuff to do there, and I'm gonna see you guys later.
Nagano si CJ?
Say hi bro. I'm vlogging.
Ay vlog.
Sanay na.
Ang pagsabi niya is hindi siya i-say out that.
May pala.
Out-up na lang. Oh, I see. Hindi ma-disturb yung magkain sa...
Pero pag Muslim kayo lang, okay lang.
Pwede naman mag-prayer like sa group. Pero ang recommended talaga is full lang sa at even if marami kayo wala na mag-lead ng prayer. Isa lang magsabi ng silent lang.
So we're done playing, and right now it's 5:24 p.m. I still have 2 hours to go because I have PE. Fuck this. No fuck man. I wanna go home and rest. I'm so fucking tired right now. Alright, so boom, the price action is doing well today. Right now I'm about to put my entry right now on gold, but I'm just waiting for a little bit more for a good fucking setup. What we see right here, there is a fair value gap and the price just taps into that. But wait, let me remove this shit first. Alright, so boom, and I see some liquidity sweep right here, but the problem is there is no highs to be targeted. I'm kinda not confident if I take a trade right now, but let's see later if the price will go a little bit more and I will target this thing right here. Let's see. On the other hand, on Doge, the price just swept this low right here. Right now I'm waiting for an inverse so that I can put an entry for long. Holy shit, that sounds fucking zesty as fuck. Anyways, alright, so I'm in right now on Doge. What the fuck. So let's see on gold how the thing goes. Oh my god, I guess the price won't go lower. Can't find some good setup right here, because what the fuck bro, this gold right here is a fucking all-time high and there is no highs that to be targeted with. But let's see. Trading is all about patience, right? So let's wait. Alright, so we just hit that fucking take profit on Doge. Yeah, I knew it. And by the way, I'm doing a live trading on Doge right now, but it's just a small amount. I am not that big yet for trading a large amount, so you know, it's a little good thing too, because I take it like seriously. That's why I am like careful, like extra careful, because I'm doing it live. So yeah, just sharing. So my trade right here on Doge is a good fucking setup, because as you can see, right before my take profit hits, there's an inverse right here all the way down. See? But on the other hand, on gold, our analysis is wrong. I mean like it's good, but I think I put my entry way too early because as you can see here, why I take this, I see some liquidity sweep right here. Then the price just stops into equilibrium, and then there's a fair value gap right around here. And then after that, I put an entry right above here, right? This candle right here. So I think if I wait a little bit longer, maybe I can take this trade right here. So yeah, it is what it is. But on Doge, why I took this trade? Because this is a perfect fucking setup. Because there's a liquidity sweep right here. I waited some break of structure, and then I see some fair value gap, and I put some equilibrium. But this is not an equilibrium trade. This is a fair value gap trade. So the price just stops into that fair value gap and respected it, and I wait for some confirmation. So the price just break off structure onto that. Then I put my entry right after this bullish candle right here. And then targeted this targeted this 5 minutes high right here. I was about to put my profit right above here, but I'm thinking smart, you know. So yeah, that's a good fucking setup. That is 1:1.87 ratio. Not bad. So that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm so oily as fuck because I'm sweating watching this gold trade right here. So I'm gonna catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.